Walsall tenants, if you're seeking a 2-bedroom property in the north side of Walsall in Leamore, then I think we found the ideal property for you. We're going to do a walkthrough video tour and show you around. So hopefully you've had a quick look around over here. The camera's shown you where we are. We're in a cul-de-sac on Waterreed Grove in Leamore. There's good links to transport. Junction 10 of the M6 is not too far from here, and you've got Bloxwich High Street as well nearby with shops and restaurants and all sorts of conveniences. So we'll take you through a video tour and show you around. Okay, follow me. So you enter into the entrance hallway, and as you come in you can see that there's doors going off to the downstairs WC, kitchen and the lounge. This is a 2-bedroom mid-terrace property, so we'll go into the kitchen first if you want to go ahead of me. That's the space there for the fridge freezer. You've got a good range of base and wall units. And over here you've got a space for the washing machine, inset oven and hob. The boiler is in this location over here. It's a gas-fired combination boiler. The hob is also gas-fired and the oven is electric. You've got space for, I'd say, a slimline dishwasher would go perfectly into this little space. You've got the controls for the heating over here. The thermostat is actually just in the hallway. There's 2 parking spaces at the front, which I forgot to mention. And then off the hallway goes an additional WC. So one for the guests, cloakroom as it's known by nowadays. In here you've also got what houses the consumer unit up there. So these properties were built not too long ago. I don't have the exact timeline, but I think it's about 8 to 10 years ago. So straight off the hallway, you come into a nice spacious lounge cum dining area. So I'd say from here you've got your TV point would be over here. The aerial point and everything is out here. I think there's a satellite dish outside. You've got lots of really good points of double sockets going on that side. You've got a little store that goes off here as well. So this is a handy kind of place for some storage, maybe hats and cloaks, shoes area. And where the camera's standing now, I'd say is we'd get a nice little round table there for dining. Yeah. Okay, I'd say decor was about 80% or so. We've had long-term tenants here, we've just moved out, and obviously now it's become available. So when you're ready, I'll take you outside into the garden. A really good size garden, mainly laid to lawn. Shed is obviously at the top end, and you've got some patio slabs down here as well. So if you want to just go up there, you can show the back end of the house. It's a mid-terrace in a trio of 3, it's in the middle. And out there is where you take the bins. There's an access way around the back to the side and then comes out to the front. But most people lay their bins outside so they don't have to take it out through here. But it's an option that you've got. Okay, so if you want to come in and then we'll take you upstairs. Okay, working smoke alarms connected from the one, they're both interconnected, so the one upstairs, if this goes off, the other one goes off as well. A doorbell. Okay, so up the stairs, turn left into the main bedroom. I'd say this one's the main bedroom because it's got a fitted wardrobe in that corner. That corner's there's another TV aerial point over here. Sockets over there. And then you've got this wardrobe. convenient kind of space in the corner, all ready to put your clothes in. Okay, and then out onto the landing where you've got the electric shower. So this is the main bathroom, and it's got an electric shower as well, over bath, and towel rail is just behind where the camera is. Okay, so coming out to the second bedroom. This one is of a good size as well. Obviously this one's facing the front, the other one's facing the back. And then this one has also got a space for some storage. There's actually a rail that's been put across so you can hang your coats and stuff, trousers and stuff on there, and space at the bottom. So that's it in a nutshell. This is on Waterreed Grove. It's for rent right now. We're taking applications. All the links will be in the description. Do subscribe to our channel if you do like what you see, and all our walkthrough videos, tours will be on here. So press the bell icon, you'll be notified straight away as soon as something becomes available. If you are interested in making an application for this property, just follow the links to the website. There'll be forms on there that you can do for a rental viewing form that you need to complete and send to us. And hopefully we'll bring you through to a physical viewing if that's what you require, or you can make an application straight off the online viewing that you've seen. So all being well, we'll see you on the other side. Take care. Bye-bye.